EDC coming soon. But for now, we're talking story structure. What is the 3-act structure? Hi, I'm Harley J. I'm a student filmmaker, and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome to it. Welcome to it if you're new here. If you're not new, then welcome back to my channel. Basically, today I'm going to be explaining story structure. So let's start off. So first off, we have the 3-act structure. The 3-act structure is what typical movies are made of. It's this recipe for a great movie. It has 3 parts, 3 acts. You can think of an act as a part. Now, here's the thing you need to know. For every act, so every act has different things. Every act has two big things that happen in it. For Act 1, we have the character introduction and the inciting incident, which the character introduction is where you introduce your character. That's how you start your film. Start your film, introduce your character, introduce your main character. Now, you might also introduce some other characters, but you really want to nail down your introduction for your main character by the end of Act 1. Usually at the beginning of Act 1. And then, when this is finished, then you're going to start off by, you're going to add an inciting incident. The inciting incident is the thing. It's the first problem. It sets the story in motion. Okay, now in Act 2, we have 2 problems. Makes sense. We have one problem and we have another problem. The second problem is a little bit bigger than the first problem, and the second problem transforms into the climax. The climax starts in Act 3. The climax of Act 3, the biggest showstopper. Okay, so basically, let's start off by saying that this climax, it's like the top of the mountain. You're finally at the top. Here's the thing. A climax is big, it's dramatic, and there's always stuff after. It can't be the ending. Or it could be, but not in all cases. So yeah, that's Act 3, then at the end of the climax, there's a resolution that kind of solves it all, wraps it up, puts it in a box, and then we finally have the closing, which takes the box, puts it in a closet. And that is the 3-act structure. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and then after you hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so that bell dings, dings, dings when I post a new video, because I think you're going to like what I have next week. Which next week, my next video, is my everyday carry.